Hi, kids! Let's learn numbers from 41 to 50. Let's start counting together. This is 41. Say it with me. 41. F-O-R-T-Y. O-N-E. 41. Here is 42. Let's say it. 42. F-O-R-T-Y. T-W-O. 42. Look, it's 43. Say it nice and loud. 43. F-O-R-T-Y. T-H-R-E-E. 43. Yay, it's 44. Can you say it? 44. F-O-R-T-Y. F-O-U-R. 44. This one is 45. Repeat after me. 45. F-O-R-T-Y. F-I-V-E. 45. Say hello to 46. Let's say it. 46. F-O-R-T-Y. S-I-X. 46. Here comes 47. Say it with me. 47. F-O-R-T-Y. S-E-V-E-N. 47. Wow, it's 48. Let's say it again. 48. F-O-R-T-Y. E-I-G-H-T. 48. Almost there. This is 49. Say it together. 49. F-O-R-T-Y. N-I-N-E. 49. Yay, we reached 50. Let's say it loud. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Want to learn more numbers? Visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe.